video, I'm going to show you how to make some clear slime. So, you're going to start off with your measuring cup, adding in some clear glue. I don't want to use a measuring cup, so yeah. There's not really much glue left, so I'm just using my other glue ball. Just like this. I don't think there's enough glue. Look at that little bubble. Oh, yeah, isn't it? What's going on? Use my other bottle. Please see this glue in here. No. I don't think there's any in here. Oh yeah, there is. Oh gosh. Sorry about you have to wait. So, oh, cameras are this thingy today. Okay. I actually have some glue in here, so I'm just gonna fit what? Oh yeah, I was making slime last night and it didn't turn out very good. So I watched Kawaii Toy Collector. She was helping me make Neko slime. Mix it up. And you get this and go and fill it up with some water. I forgot to do this before the video, so I'll be back in 2 seconds. Okay guys, I'm back. My water. So just add tiny bits till you think it's getting thick. Oh, that's a bit. I think I've added in a bit too much water. It's deep now. Okay, so then you just want to mix it up. So then you're going to want to get a plastic spoon and get some activator for it. Ignore that. I'm making some clear slime. Sticky. Yep. So then a bit more activator. Start. See that clump? That's going to be my slime. Add in as much glue as you want of slime. Think it's ready. Then just play with it. I over-activated it a bit, so I'm going to add in a bit more glue. So put that there. Okay, there we go. Makes a bit of a mess. Just a little bit of mess. So it's the middle. I'll show you a trick how to clean it up. Stretch it. Poke it and play with it. Clean. It's a bit. And it's clear. I was gonna make a coloured slime out of it. I got some paint, but I didn't want to. I just wanted to make this slime. And I also had this black paint. Look, I'll show you. Not really. I hate this. Look, I just want a little bit of clear. I love my clear slime. So I want a bit of clear putty on my sets of clay. Look. Let's break. Let's do it really slowly.